Hello explorers, and welcome back to Virtual Travel by Juan. Today we're taking a different kind of journey, exploring tropical fruits from our global adventures and whether they're safe to share with our four-legged travel companions. Our first stop, the pineapple fields of Hawaii and Costa Rica. Can dogs eat this tropical delight? The answer might surprise you, and stick around until the end to learn about the one preparation method that could be dangerous for your furry friend. Have you ever been enjoying a juicy slice of pineapple from a local market while traveling, when those puppy dog eyes lock onto your exotic snack? As global travelers who sometimes bring our pets along, it's important to know which local foods are safe to share. While some human foods from our worldly adventures are toxic to dogs, pineapple has some unexpected benefits that might make it the perfect souvenir treat for your four-legged travel companion. But there's a catch, and it's not what most traveling pet owners realize. Let's start with the good news. Yes, dogs can eat pineapple in moderation. As we've seen in our travels through Hawaii, Thailand, Costa Rica, and the Philippines, pineapples are celebrated local treasures, and for good reason. This tropical fruit is packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber that can be beneficial for your dog. It contains vitamin C, vitamin B6, thiamine, and minerals like manganese and copper. Pineapple also contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps dogs absorb proteins more efficiently. This makes it not just a tasty treat, but a functional food that can support your dog's digestive health during your travels. Some veterinarians even recommend small amounts of fresh pineapple as a natural way to discourage dogs from eating their own poop, a habit called coprophagia, because the bromelain changes the taste of the stool. That's definitely helpful knowledge for those long road trips or beach stays. But hold on, like any treat, moderation is key. Pineapple is high in natural sugars, which means too much can lead to stomach upset or diarrhea, weight gain over time, and potential dental issues from the sugar content. So what's the right portion size? For small dogs, a couple of small chunks is plenty. Medium-sized dogs can handle a few more pieces, while larger breeds might enjoy up to a quarter cup occasionally. Pineapple should never make up more than 10% of your dog's daily caloric intake. Now let's talk about how to prepare pineapple for your furry friend. Do remove the tough outer skin completely. Cut out the core as it's too tough and fibrous. Serve in small, bite-sized chunks to prevent choking. Offer it raw or frozen as a refreshing summer treat. Don't never feed your dog canned pineapple packed in syrup. The added sugars are too much. Avoid dried pineapple, which concentrates the sugars and often contains preservatives. Keep the leaves and crown away from your pet. They're sharp and indigestible. Blend 1 cup of fresh local pineapple chunks, like the amazing ones we found at markets in Thailand. Mix with 1 cup of plain, unsweetened yogurt, and make sure it doesn't contain xylitol. Add a tiny bit of coconut milk, which is optional for that extra tropical flair. Pour into ice cube trays or silicone molds. Freeze for at least 4 hours. Store in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks. Potential concerns. While pineapple is generally safe, not all dogs should have it. You should avoid giving pineapple to your dog if they have diabetes, due to the natural sugar content, a history of pancreatitis, or known food allergies or sensitivities. And always introduce any new food slowly. Start with just a small piece and watch for any adverse reactions like vomiting or diarrhea, excessive scratching, which could indicate a potential allergy, or changes in behavior or energy levels. Remember that catch I mentioned earlier? Here it is. While fresh pineapple is safe in moderation, there's one preparation that could be dangerous for your dog: grilled pineapple with certain seasonings. Some grilled pineapple recipes call for ingredients like cinnamon, nutmeg, or brown sugar glazes. While cinnamon in small amounts is generally okay, nutmeg can be toxic to dogs, and those sweet glazes often contain excessive sugar or even bourbon, which is definitely not dog-friendly. If your dog doesn't seem interested in pineapple or you're looking for variety, There are plenty of other fruits that are safe for dogs in moderation. Watermelon, seedless and rind removed. Blueberries, a superfood packed with antioxidants. Apple slices without seeds. Strawberries rich in vitamin C, and banana high in potassium but also high in sugar, so offer sparingly. Just like with pineapple, always remove any seeds, pits, rinds, or cores and introduce new foods gradually. So there you have it. Dogs can indeed enjoy pineapple as an occasional treat from your tropical adventures, and it even offers some health benefits when served properly. Remember, fresh, raw chunks with the tough parts removed in moderation is the way to go, whether you're at home or exploring pineapple plantations around the world. If you enjoyed this virtual travel guide to pet-friendly tropical fruits, please hit that like button and subscribe for more global adventures and travel tips. In our next episode, we'll be exploring pet-friendly accommodations in Bali. Drop a comment below if your dog has tried pineapple from one of your travels and what they thought of it. Until next time, this is Juan from Virtual Travel by Juan, reminding you that the world is waiting to be explored, sometimes with our furry friends by our side.